Hello everyone, welcome to Homespun Recipes, and I'm your host Karishma with one more recipe to share with you. The recipe that we are making today is chicken dry fry or sukha chicken. For this we require chicken 300 grams, red chilli powder 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, salt according to taste, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, onions, green chillies and coriander leaves, lemon juice of half a lemon. Let us start marinating the chicken and I'll start adding the spices. First I'm adding in the ginger garlic paste and then I'll add the garam masala powder, lemon juice and rest of the spices. So now here my oil is ready and I'll start putting the chicken into the pan. Since this is a fried chicken preparation, you need to be slightly liberal with the oil and you can always remove the oil while serving the chicken. Flip the chicken pieces and fry them well from both the sides. Now you can see the chicken has now started drying up and it is getting the right texture that we want it to have. At this stage the chicken is almost 80% done and now I'll be adding in the onions, green chilies and I'll cover and allow it to cook so that the onions become soft. Here my chicken is perfectly done, it's ready and I'll just garnish it with some green coriander and turn off the heat. This is a very easy preparation of chicken and it tastes delicious. It requires very few spices and it can be made by almost everyone. So try it. I hope you love the recipe, and if you do love the recipe, please come back to my channel and share your experience in the comment section. If you want to see more recipes, please don't forget to press the notification bell. Thanks for watching Homespun Recipes.